everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Edward Jones' credit card account. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to begin. Once you're inside, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.edwardjonescreditcard.com and press enter on your keyboard. In the login area that appears on the next page, go ahead and type in your personal ID in the text box in the login area located at the left-hand side of the screen. Make sure to type in your information correct. In case you don't remember your personal ID, click on Forgot Your Personal ID link and follow the instructions in order to look for your personal ID. After you are done typing in, click the Continue button. On the next page, go ahead and answer your ID Shield question. Once you answer the question, if you'd like the system to remember your credentials in this computer, click on Remember this computer box at the bottom, but leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. Once you type in your credential, click the Next button, or in case you've forgotten your answer to the ID Shield question, click on Forgot Your Answer link. Follow the instructions in order to look for the answer. Once you click the Login button and your credentials are correct, you'll be able to log into your Edward Jones credit card account. That is how you can easily log into Edward Jones credit card. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.